Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I want to show you a problem of cold starting Nissan Primera 1.6L engine. That's carbureted engine, not injection. 97 HP engine. Yeah, that's a GA16DS engine name for Nissan. So we have a problem of the starting. When I start the engine, if I don't give race acceleration, the engine turns off. If I don't give race, so for the engine always start on, if I don't push the race, that's not work. The engine turns off. So I show you the problem. If I start without giving race, the engine don't start. Look at this. Okay, the engine don't start. I have petrol. Okay, the tank is nice. It's full, or it's not full, but yeah. And when I give race, the engine starts. Look. You see that? I giving race, and when I don't give, the engines turn off. So this is the problem. I don't know what is this. I think is a carburetor choke. If automatic choke don't work properly in this engine. So I give you the reference of the carburetor in this engine. It's a Hitachi, Nikki. I forgot the code, but for start the engine, we do this. Increase the race, give constant race. If I don't give race, the engine don't stay on. But at the hot engine, when the engine is hot, we have zero problem. The engine start really nice and just don't turn on. You can start without giving race. The engine start properly, very nice. So I don't know what is this problem. If you have any idea, you can tell me in the commentary section. So for start the engine, I do this. Giving constant race acceleration. If I don't give, the engine don't stay on, and he's give a lot of smoke at the back. So we need give some acceleration for the engine gets hot. And when the engine is hot, we don't have a problem. The engine works properly. You know that you see that the engine turns off if I don't give race. So if you have any idea or this problem, please give me a comment in the commentary section. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. Now you can see when the engine is hot, I can start without pressing the race accelerator. You see that? The engine has started normally when the engine is little hot, you know? That's not cold start. I see you the engine. I show you the engine, sorry. My English is a little bad, but this is engine. Nissan Primera P10 16 valve carbureted engine. Wait a minute. So that's the engine, and here at the carburetor, you know, that's little thing. That's really good condition. Give more rest. So that's the problem.